welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the CAMDUCK spy camera charger, hidden camera charger, or a Nanny cam, 2K HD wall outlet, hidden camera, surveillance spy cam, secret cam, hidden camera for inside home, motion alert. So this HD has a 4 megapixel access Wi-Fi, and it's hidden with a motion detection, H.265 with a 120-degree large angle. Data security. Data transmission is encrypted throughout, so privacy is not compromised. 4 megapixel is the ultra clear picture quality. This one allows you to remote viewing anywhere around the world as long as you have Wi-Fi. And in case there's no network monitoring, such as no Wi-Fi network available, don't worry. You can connect directly to the camera signal on your mobile phone and view live video within a range of 30 meters from the camera. And there's also a trans flash memory card slot, so you can store all your files without any subscriptions. By the way, this hidden camera supports 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. And they also carry different varieties of different hidden cameras. I could check it out. And I'd like to give a shout out to Cora from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys this product. Right here is the user manual guide. And you can scan the QR code right here for the app. So they give you two of the USB Type A, one Type C. It says 5 volt, 2.1 amp. And they give you additional for this AC outlet. This is what it looks like on the back. And this is the air ventilation hole right here. They give you this long screw, so I can insert here to your electrical outlet. And this is the memory card reader. To a USB Type A, so you could plug this into your computer. And also come with the guitar peg to pry out the plate. This is where the memory card is. Right here is your memory card slot right here. Got a 32 gigabyte memory card here. So you insert this way, okay? And make sure you push in and click it. Here, click. Now I'm going to put the cover back on. I'm going to plug this in without screwing on right now and do some tests. Alright, I'm going to plug it in. Make sure you match the hole and line out with this pin. Now you see a blue light, there's a red light. I'm going to use a QR code scanner to scan the app. Click on it. And that is Android or iPhone. Click on the Android. The CAMDUCK install. And I click on open. While using the app, allow. Click on start. It says click the plus to add a camera. So I hit the plus. So click on this one. You could remote monitor setting, choose range, monitor setting. Range is only without the Wi-Fi, so I'm going to choose a Wi-Fi. And you will need to select the other device, which is this one right here. So I will need to enter my network password and press OK. Please control the distance between the mobile phone camera and router within 2 meters when configuring the network. To connect the camera, click on it, camera signal, and then show the password. I need to go to my Wi-Fi setting. And then select the CAMDUCK. I need to enter the password. And then you're going to press connect. I'm going to go back to the app.
Please connect to the camera Wi-Fi, then then return to the app.
Right now it's connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait. Do not leave this page. So I just need to hit the arrow back in order to get into back to the app. Alright, seems like it's already working already. That's a alarm message, album, SD file, setting. Click on this and see the live view. So there's my live view right now. Because of the cameras, and you zoom in, zoom out. Alright, so we are inside the app right now. If you click on it, it's a live view. So this one only has video, no sound. Right now we're on the 1080p. This is 4 megapixel or 2K. And this is to snap the photo. And this is to record a video. And it shows how many seconds. Press it to turn it off. And right now it's on the normal mode. You could flip it. So this is the opposite side. You can flip upside down. Okay. On the bottom here, I turn on the motion detection, so it says alarm message. So it tell you what time or the timestamp that when there's a person moving around, it detects the motion. Just click on it. So this is the video. Click on it to play. And right here, there is a photo. You could do it from here. Snap the photo. Record the video. This is the album where all the video is saved at. This is a video. And then over here is the photo. Okay? And there's a SD file. Not sure why it's loading too long. Earlier it just shows it. And max means full screen. Okay? And about here you get the alarm message, album, SD, and then a setting. Right here is the setting. There's an engineering mode, Wi-Fi configuration, network information right here, camera information, time setting. So I'm in the California zone, supposed to be the UTC -7. I will need to adjust it. UTC -7 right here. And you gotta choose is the summertime or not. And after that, you're gonna check it. Go back there and see the time zone. Right now it shows 12:35. Okay. And then there's a SD card setting. Oh, I'm sorry. Right here is the one that you could format and show you the remaining of the SD card storage. And recording status. Right here, you get the root recording. I just set on the motion detection recording. And if there's a problem, you could restore factory setting. And then delete camera. So this is on the device, or if you go to product, there's you can go scroll down to see other devices that they offer with all those hidden cameras. And then album. So it's the same thing, picture and photo or video. And then contact us. I'm going to show you guys that you could also use this as a tablet or smartphone holder while you're charging your phone with the charging cable and stuff. So I put this on the countertop. And I just want to show you guys real quick. Right now it's on the 4 megapixel. So 6C is probably quite clear. I'm going to change to 1080p. And it is blurry. So yeah, 4 megapixel or 2K is much clear. Sit over here while it's charging. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always peace.